Yeah, online students, is my voice is clear? Guys, could you please confirm? Okay, so let's continue with the OpenCV. In the last class, we are discussing the OpenCV, right? So let us continue with the same and let us complete the OpenCV concept today. Now, as in the previous class, I have told you the computer vision. What are the computer vision is there? So in this computer vision, first we have to detect the object. So in order to detect the object, so what are the object we are trying to detect? So for example, if you want to detect the face, you want to detect the face only. Let's take a starting example of face detection. So for example, you want to detect the human face. First, how the human face will look like. So first we should know. For example, if I say in this class, in the class, how many of you have seen the Naresh sir, who is the head of the Naresh IT, Naresh sir? How many of you have seen? Just tell me, guys. How many of you have seen? Both offline and online students. Please confirm. How many? How many of you know Naresh sir? Right? No one knows now. Now, if I say that, okay, Naresh sir is available in the next street. In the next street, okay, in the next street, sir is available. Go and identify sir. Identify him. What you are going to do now? If I say now, because you don't know how Naresh sir will look only, how Naresh sir will be, you don't know anything. But I have told you the go to the next street and identify him. Whether can you identify or not? Yes or no? Right? Now the same question, if I say about the hero, like Salman Khan, okay, if I say about the Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan or someone, Shah Rukh Khan, let's take Shah Rukh Khan. Now in the next street, in the same next street only, Shah Rukh Khan is available. Don't say that, see, he's a celebrity, obviously people will be surrounded him, nothing. Just as a normal human being, let's take an example. SRK is available. Shah Rukh Khan is available in the next street. I asked you to identify whether can you identify or not. Yes or no? How you are able to identify? How you are not able to identify Naresh sir? How you are able to identify the SRK? The reason is very simple. You know the how the SRK will look, how the Shah Rukh Khan will look. Okay, but you don't know how the Naresh sir will look. Now, if I show you the photo of Naresh sir, okay, for example, I'm typing here Naresh IT, Naresh sir. Just I'm typing in the Google Naresh IT, Naresh sir, and in the images, just I'm typing here in the images, and he is the person, right? He is the person, Naresh sir. Okay, now I have shown you this person. Okay, his name is NNV Naresh, and he's the head of the Naresh IT. Now I have shown you the Naresh sir photo and everything. Now if I say that, go and identify in the next street. Can you identify or not? Same question one more time now. Question is same. Now can you identify or not? Means here first you are having the futures of the Naresh sir. First you are observing. Now in the next street, total 1,000 people are there. In the 1,000 people, one of them is Naresh sir. Now, how you are going to observe? How you are going to identify? How? What is the process your brain will do? Tell me the process of the brain. Your brain will do the very fastly, ultra fast. But tell me in the slow motion, what your brain will do exactly. Out of 1,000 people, how you are going to identify him? How it is going to possible? How the brain will do this process? Tell me that one. Step by step process, you tell me. So first you are going to see the first one, first person. Who are the first person? And his face or his entire photo or whatever this is there, his face is matching to the given photo or not. This face and that face are matching or not, you are going to observe. Basically, what you are doing, matching you are doing. And if the face is not matched, you are going to go to the next person, like that. Just you are applying the for loop, basically, one after one person after one person after one person. Just you are going to observe their face and whether that face and this face is matching or not. If it is matched, means he is the narrator. If not matched, means he is not the narrator. Right? This is the what the brain will do. Exactly. Everyone is okay? Now the same thing was done in the computer vision also, as it is. So first we are going to take the features of the face. How generally human face will be look. So here we are having the some features like eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, something. So first we have to have the features of the face. And these features are available on the given image or not. In the given image, this type of features are available here. Available. Where it is available? Here it is available. Sir, for example, this photo exactly face is in the center position, sir. For example, there is a photo where the face is in this corner, wherever it is. In this entire image, wherever these features are matching, wherever it matching, in the entire image, wherever it matches, it identifies the human face. Point is clear? Basically, it is doing the matching. Sir, for example, I have given the eyebrow like this, sir. But the person eyebrow is something slightly different. Here the length of the eyebrow is slightly higher. This length of the eyebrow is slightly lower, slightly. Whether it will identify or not means we are going to identify the nearest neighbors. With nearest neighbors. Neighbors means close to that, not exactly the same. For example, if a person is having the eyebrow like this, okay, I have given the shape of the eyebrow. If any person has approximately like this also, it will identify. Not exactly, no need to be perfect. Okay. So that nearest neighbors, that concept we call it as nearest neighbors. Nearest neighbors means close to that. So whether these given features are matching in the given image or not. Now, for example, if I show you the one group of image, a group of people, multiple people I am going to show you. A group of people. Just I am typing here in the Google, group of people. Okay, in the image. Now in this image, okay, here is the group of people, something is there. Now in this group of people, now tell me whether narrator is available or not. Means what you are going to do basically, how your brain works. Just you are going to observe like, okay, in this group, narrator is available means you are going to observe the each and every person face and whether it is matching to the narrator face or not, just you are going to do. Same thing will be done by the computer. Sir, in a fast, our brain is working in a very fast mode, no sir, miss. That is human brain. Human brain is ultra fast. Okay. Now, so here, what are the value here you are having now? Now your brain will process step by step, one person after one person, one person after one person. Just it is going to apply the loop. And it is wherever the face matches, it is going to say that yes, here it is available. That is only this face deduction concept, right? One of the most important. From here only the Facebook has started. Okay, so identifying the first you are going to in the Facebook you are going to upload your photo, and if any other photos comes in that group or somewhere, automatically it is used to show the tag this person. It should earlier in the starting days of Facebook. How many of you remember starting days of Facebook? There you will find the face detection, face tagging, right? Now, so here the code, what are the code is there? So first, for which one I want to identify, on which image I want to identify, first I'm going to load that particular image. For example, here I want to load, check the Modi's image. First step is Modi image. Okay. Within the Modi image, I'm going to resize that one. Why I'm resizing? What is the reason of resizing? Miss, very simple. If I don't resize, without resizing, just if I'm using the cv2.im show, okay, cv2.im show, and if I show this image, okay, now if you see that I'm getting the complete, I'm not getting the complete image. I'm just getting the up to the head part. Bottom part I'm not able to see. Why I'm not able to see, miss? Because the Modi's image, what are the Modi image you are having? This Modi image is in the properties. Once you click on the properties, 1358 into 1500 pixels. 1358 into 1500 pixels. Now, what are the pixels you are having? Now, my screen size. So here I will have the screen size now. So in my case, my laptop, what are the my laptop is having? What is the maximum resolution is 1080 pixels. But what is the pixel size of that Modi's image is 1500. So since 1500 is there and here only that 1080 is there, that balance 420 pixels I am not able to see. Now if I resize this one, okay, if I resize, what are the Modi's image is there? If I resize here, okay, after resizing, now if I ask to show the resized image, what are the resized images there? Now you can see the complete image. Okay, this length was compressed. Okay, is the point is clear? Now to see like this, that is the reason I'm doing the resizing. For my laptop, to support this one, I'm resizing. Right? Now while resizing, you are doing the 679 by 750. Why exactly that number, miss? Just what are the initial date 1358, 1500 they have given me now. Just I'm taking into the divide by 2, 50% of this. So 1358 means 679, half of that 1500 means 750. Just I have reduced to 50%. That nothing special, 679 or 750. So instead of that 300 by 300 if I take, absolutely. Just I have reduced to 50% of that. Or my system anyway support up to 1080 pixel na. 1000 by 1000 also I can consider even. That is your choice. Is the point is clear? Next. Coming to the next one. After resizing the image, first I will convert to grayscale. Why I will convert to grayscale, miss? Because after converting to grayscale only 2D array will be created. Otherwise color image is a 3D array. Now I want to convert the 3D to 2D. So to convert the 3D image to 2D, that is nothing but color to gray. BGR. BGR means blue, green, red to gray color means black color, corresponding black color. Okay. Now I'm going to convert like this. Now the image is ready. Now my requirement is what? I want to identify the face. What I have to identify? Face. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to load the features of the object to be identified. So what are the features I require? So here the features. What is the features I require, miss? This is the feature. Face. So face features I'm going to load. So where it is available? It is available as a her cascade classifier within the OpenCV. In the OpenCV, within the OpenCV, you are having the her cascade classifiers. Within the OpenCV, you are having. They are called as cascade classifiers. Now, what are the cascade classifiers you are having? This diagram will be in the XML file. Sir, what are the objects are available, miss? Universal. Which are the universal common for everyone? Which are universal? Everything is available. Like mobile phone, laptop, table, chair, water bottle, like this. What are the universal objects commonly is available? That is available. So particularly I want to identify my face. Then you have to give your face. Both are not same. So this is XML file. Sir, how to create this XML file, miss? This is going to be created by the software developers. Okay, this XML file will be created by the software developers. You are not going to create. Okay, once the software developer has created the based on the features the XML file, and this XML file you are going to load here and directly you are going to identify that particular features. So see here, first I am going to load the cascade classifier. That cascade classifier XML file, where it is available means in my drive, in the folder, in this particular folder, I'm having one folder name called as Har Cascades. Inside this folder, I'm having the frontal face. This is the one. This is the XML file. So this XML file, where it is available in my working directory within the Har Cascades. Here it is available. So here it is available. Just I'm trying to load that one. Okay, after loading, now what are the cascade classifier? Basically, it consists of futures. What it consists of? Futures. So what you want to identify? Now where it has to be identified? On the given image. Which image? Narendra Modi's image. So what are the Narendra Modi images there? I'm going to provide that one. So first you are going to create a cascade classifier. It will contain the futures of the face. For example, you want some particular object. That object futures, you have to create the XML file. Whatever is there. Universal objects already available in the OpenCV library itself. Directly you can simply load them. If any new object you want to create, something special which is not universal, your requirement particularly for you only it will be satisfied, miss, then according to that you have to create. Point is clear? Now, here what are the futures are available? Now, cascade classifier, first I am going to load the XML file. After loading this XML file, detect multiscale. What is meant by detect multiscale means match where it is available. So on the given image, I am going to do the detection with a scale factor of 1.05. What is meant by 1.05 means every time it will reduce the entire image to 5%. 5% it will reduce. Okay, decreases the shape by 5% until the face is formed. Smaller the value, higher the accuracy. For example, if you take 1.01, it will reduce just 1% only. But time will be more. Right? Next, this is minimum neighbors. What is meant by minimum neighbors means which satisfies the near values, not exact value, nearest value. Now, what happens here in the Narendra Modi's image? Okay, let me show you one more time the Narendra Modi's image. So here, just I'm going, now this is the Narendra Modi image, which is grayscale, which is a 2D. Now I'm having the human face like this. Of course, my diagram is burst. I also know that one. Assume this is a human face, something. Now this human face you have to identify here. First it will identify here, whether it is available. No, later. Like this, it is going to move. And it is going to move in such a way, finally, wherever this face is identified.
Entire face, huh?
Yes. In the entire given image, wherever it is available. Sir, in the single image, only multiple faces are available. Then, multiple will be identified. Whatever is available, it will identify. So, wherever these futures are matching, sir, for example, I have given instead of Narendra Modi image, I have given the Taj Mahal image. Okay, or some wall image. What happens? It says that it is not found. The whatever the futures you are asking, that futures in the given image is not available. Matching is not there. Matching is there, miss, it will match. Matching is not there, miss, it will say that it is not matched. Now, matching. So here, that whatever we are having, it is matching. As per our requirement, it is matching. So here, what are the futures I have provided? That futures are matching here. Now, when the futures are matching, okay, it is going to say, it is going to give the output of like this. 4 values it is going to give. Sir, what is these 4 values, sir? Out of these 4 values, okay, first value, the first, what are the value is there, na? The first 2 values are nothing but x comma y. X comma y means here, total, this is, what is the length of this one? What is this one? 679. What is the length of this one? 750. Now in this 750 means 750 lines will be there, right? 679 means obviously 679 data points will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 pixels now. Obviously, this is going to form the 1 pixel, second pixel, third pixel like this, right? Now, this is the starting point. Starting point means wherever the 269 is there here and 127 here is there, it is going to keep one dot. So, what is this dot? 269 comma 127. This is the dot. Now, from this dot, this is the width, how much it is having and how much it is having. So, in this area, you are having your requirement. So, this is the starting point and this is the overall distance of this one and this is the overall distance of this one. Point is clear? Now, tell me guys, okay, just tell me, everyone knows graph sheet now? Normal graph sheet. Now, in the graph sheet, if I want to draw the rectangle, total how many values are required for rectangle? Anyone? To draw one rectangle, how many values are required? Guys, online students, please reply. To draw one rectangle, how many values are required? 4 values required. Huh? What are those 4 values? Okay, this is first value. This is second value. What is the third value and fourth value? Anyone tell me? This is third value. Huh? Third value and first value both are same only. Na? Second and fourth is obviously same only. Na? What are the remaining 2 values? What is the remaining 2 values? Total 4 you told, right? What is the remaining 2? One is length. First value is length. Second value is breadth. Breadth or height, whatever it is. What is the remaining 2 values? Total 4 values you told, right? So to draw that rectangle, obviously we require the 4 values. That is correct answer only. But what are you are estimating this one as first value, second value, third value, fourth value, but it is wrong. Because these both are same, these both are same. Right? Here the point is, for example, if I have given a rectangle, I want a rectangle with length of 3, breadth of 2. Means length of 3 means from here to here. It is a length. Breadth of 2 means from here to here. So this is 3 and this is 2. Okay. But this not only this one. Na, this one is also 3 with 2. Na. This is also 3 with 2 is there. This is also 3 with 2 is there. Then only length and breadth is not sufficient. Starting point is also required. Where it has to start. In the given graph sheet, where it has to start. So if I provide x comma y is equal to 5 comma 1. What is the meaning of 5 comma 1 miss? So wherever the x value is equal to 5, wherever the y value is equal to 1, this is the starting point. From here, length of 3, that is 6, 7, 8. This is 5 up to 3. Okay, similarly here, breadth of 2 with a height of 2. Now we can draw the perfect rectangular box like this. Is the point is clear, guys? Everyone understood? Yes or no? So here x comma y we required, length and breadth also we required. Total 4 values. Those 4 values only, these 4 values. So once we get these 4 values, automatically we are going to identify. So see here, just I'm going to apply the detect multiscale. After applying the detect multiscale, if the output is empty, means you are not getting any value, means the meaning is no faces formed. No face is available. For example, you have received the 4 values. Either you will receive empty or you will receive the 4 values. Sir, if I receive only 2 values, that option is not there. This function was created to return the 4 values. Function was created to return 4 values means it has to obviously return 4 values only. It cannot return 2 values. Okay. So here I'm going to get the 4 values. Now these 4 values, I'm going to create the rectangle with the starting point of this and ending point of this. This is the starting point. That is x comma y. Where this is x comma y. my ending point is this one, that is x plus w, y plus h. So obviously this value is going to become the x plus w comma y plus h. So between these two, I want a rectangle. Rectangle means obviously like this only we can draw. Point is clear? So this is the starting point and this is the ending point and I want the rectangle. Now it is going to draw the rectangular box like this. Once I execute this one, see, you are going to get the rectangular box like this. Sir, rectangular box you are going to get, but color image, why you are getting color image, sir? Because where I have drawn the rectangular box on the resized one. Here I have drawn the rectangular box. If you draw the rectangular box on the gray, automatically you will get the output as the black and white. Point is clear? So whatever you have selected, what image you have selected, according to that given image, it will be drawn. Next, sir, this color, what is the color of this one? Blue color. Sir, instead of blue color, I want red. So this is a B, G, R. So for example, I don't want blue color. Blue color is equal to 0. Green is equal to 0. Red is 255. That is the maximum color intensity, right? Now what color line it will be drawn? The same rectangular box. What is the color? Blue is 0, green is 0, red is 255. Now what color? Obviously red color. This is the color of the line. Color of the rectangular box. Okay, this is the color of the rectangular box. Is the point is clear? Now, sir, I want a combination of red and green. So a combination of red and green is nothing but yellow. Right? So like this, you are going to get the color of the line. What about this one? One is thickness of the line. Okay, this is nothing but thickness of the line. BGR, which is color, and this is thickness of the line. For example, if I increase the thickness to 5, automatically the line thickness increases. Okay, for example, if I increase this one to 7, still the thickness increases. Is the point is clear? Everyone, understood or not? So this is thickness of the line. Now, wherever the phase features are matching, it is going to give that output. Now, so here, I'm going to take this. Okay, instead of 1.05, I'm going to write 1.3. That is zoomness of 1.3, 30% only. Still, I'm able to identify properly means, then, sir, 1.3 is better or 1.05 is better or 1.01 is better means, see, the lesser the value, accuracy increases, at the same time, time increases. Now, for example, if I go with 1.5, whether it is identifying the red color, I mean the face, no face found, it is saying that. Now, just I'm trying to reduce to 1.4. Still, the answer is same. Now, I'm trying to reduce to 1.3. Now, it has identified properly. Now, when accuracy is, your requirement was satisfied here, then why you have to go with 1.2? 1.2 also will give the same answer, but unnecessarily it increases the time. Because automatically 20% it has to reduce now. Point is clear, guys? Everyone. So detect multiscale, here values are different. Rectangular box values are different. In the rectangular function, you are going to give the starting point, ending point, color of the line, thickness of the line. These are the arguments. Points are clear, everyone? Understood or not? In this way, you are going to identify the face. Now, sir, face is okay, sir. I want to identify the eyes. Now, how the eyes will look? Eyes means what? Eyes means what? Something like this. Inside that we'll have, okay, something like this. Let's take an example. This type is available in the given image or not? in the given image whether it is available or not. Just I want to identify. So for that, what I have to do? Shweta, it is 1.3. Whatever the 1.3 is there, see, this decreases the shape value by 1.3 means 30%. Decreases the shape. Shape means this is overall shape. This will be decreased to 30%. Point is clear? Yes. Now, next, so here I want to identify along with the face eye also. So first what you have to do? Load the image. First step is load the image where you have to identify. That is first one. Second one, resize is optional. If already small image is there, for that resize is not compulsory now. Resize is optional. Grayscale is compulsory. Gray is compulsory. Okay, because why gray is compulsory means because 2D. Our XML file consists of 2D. Image also should be 2D. It cannot be 3D. Matching has to be done means both of them has to be done. Nah? Now, first you are going to take the face classifier along with the eye classifier. Now, first you are going to identify the face, whether the face is available or not. If face is available, then automatically we are going to apply the eyes. Face only not available means what is the use of eyes? Now tell me guys, earlier in the Narendra Modi's image, now here face means only one is there, but eyes, how many are there? Two are there. Now both of them has to be identified or one has to be identified. In the entire image, how many eyes are there? How many similar kind of features are there? It will identify everything. Sir, for example, Narendra Modi has weared one shirt. Here unexpectedly Big Boss show, and here also one eye image is there, sir. He went to the Big Boss show. Automatically the symbol is there. And the shirt he has weighed on that Big Boss symbol is there, and it is also having some eye. What happens? It will identify this one, even this one also will be identified. How many are there? Everything will be identified. So automatically, see, here in this example, face was identified along with the two eyes are identified. Points are clear? Everyone? Yes, even specs is there also it will identify. You have to give the futures. Sir, can you tell me one real-time application where it will be used? Miss 100 applications I will tell you, not one or two. Just let us take one of them, your mobile phone only. In your mobile phone, you want the face detection. Using your face unlock has to work. While starting of face unlock, first time, what you are going to do? First one. First you have to provide your face features. Are you going to provide only the front face or side face or left side, right side, or everything you are going to provide? Only front side you are going to provide in your mobile phone for face unlock. You are going to provide all the directions, right? It will ask you to turn left, turn right, turn up, down, like this. Why? Is the point is clear? Done. So here, okay, it is identifying without training. It is from classifier. Yeah, here it is not training. It is identifying, matching. No need of training for this. Only matching. I will tell you with a small example, guys. Very basic example. I think most of you have seen in movies this one, particularly in the old movies. Okay. Now, for example, assume there is one villain. Okay, some villain is available, and this villain has killed one person. Heroine has seen this one, and he went and complained. And the complaint to the police inspector. That inspector is nothing but hero. Okay, heroine went and given the complaint to the hero, and hero is the police inspector. Police. Now, first he will ask the heroine. What question he will ask? Have you seen the murder? Yes, I have seen the murder. Whether you will identify the killer? Yes, I'll identify the killer. Can you draw the sketch? Yes, I can draw the sketch. The person will look like this, having the big nose. Okay, something. Okay, sketch will be given. After once the sketch was given, what the police will do? First, they will check in their database. Anything is matching. In this training is there or nothing is there. Just matching only. This photo versus other photo. How many of them are matching? Not matching. Next other photo. How many are matching? No. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Only matching. Nothing. Nothing training. Nothing. Right? Understood, guys? So here, Ganesh, we are not going to discuss the XML file. XML file is the part of software developer. Is the point is clear? Uh, Sir, in our example, there is a database. But what we have here we have given the mode image now. This is the futures and this is the image. In the given image, wherever it is available, identify. In the entire one. Yesterday only I told you now how to identify the laptop in the given image. You know the laptop futures, how it looks, and you have identified. Yesterday I have discussed, right? In that example, how it is working. Same logic. Where we can get these XML files. These XML files, what are the XML files are there? Every XML file is available inside the OpenCV library. Within the OpenCV library itself. Just if you type here Google in the Google OpenCV, automatically there you will find the her cascades. They are called as her cascade classifiers. So you can find the multiple XML files. Is the point is clear? Which are universal objects are there? Everything you can identify. Like car, bike, helmet, lorry, bus, anything. Which are universal. Yes. Jahnavi is asking. Means it is taking the futures for the future reference of the Modi. Here, see. For example, this is one object, Amma. Whether this object is available in this image or not, tell me. This is the object. Whether it is available or not. Any shape of this one is available or not. Yes or no? Don't ask what is this object also. Just I have given one diagram for you. I'm not even saying that item name. The item name also I'm not saying. Just I have given some diagram. Some sketch I have given. That sketch is available in the given image or not. That's it. Similar kind of sketch is available or not. Yes or no? Is the point is clear? Now, I have given one more like this. Whether it is available or not. That circle is available or not. Means, yes, here one circle is available. 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 Circle only, na? Just I have drawn one circle. I want anything in the circle shape. Point is clear? Understood? For example, in the circle also, I have given the pure black color. Sir, how you know this is black color only? I mean, how machine knows it is black color only means because enter values will be filled with 255. Here also in this circle 255 is there or not miss? Yes. Here in this circle 255 is there miss? Yes. Here 255 will be there? No, no. Here 255 will be there? No, no. So these two will not be identified. Now only these two will be identified. Point is clear? Everyone understood? Whatever you are entering, it is not color or nothing. You are entering a 2D array with the numbers. That numbers here it has to match. That numbers has to match. For example, here I have given 255, 255, 255, 255. Okay, 255. Here 0. Now, exactly here that values are matching means no. Here if the values are matching means no. Here values are matching means yes. These values are matching here. So it will identify that. Where those numbers are matched here. Is the point is clear? Numbers matching basically. Not single number. A combination of what are the numbers I have given. This entire combination, it has to be available. Understood or not? Yes or no? Everyone, could you please confirm? It is not color. It is not the shape. It is numbers. What are the XML file consist of? 2D array. A 2D array, your XML file consists of. Your grayscale image also consists of 2D. Now, where in this, but only difference is your image is this much of big. Okay, let's assume this much of big image you are having. My requirement is only these 4 values. A combination of these 4 values I want to identify. Now, these 4 values, first it will check here. No. Here, like that. Can't you do the matching? For example, here 2 is there, 3 is there, 9 is there, 12 is there. Can't we check a combination of 4 values where it is exactly matching in this entire square? Yes or no? Yes or no? So this is your XML file. In the XML file, futures are there, which is of 2D. Now here Dharmendra is asking the question, that big picture how will get? This is only Narendra Modi's image, na? Here Narendra Modi's image is, what is the shape of the Narendra Modi image? First tell me what is the shape of this image? What is the shape of this image? 750 to 679. Means that many horizontal and vertical lines are there. First you will accept this. That many pixels are there. And within that pixels, can't we identify our required pixel? Now it is clear. My requirement is complete face, not eyes, only complete face. Then use only the face classifier. What are the face features are there? We'll use only that. Right? Is that clear now? That classifier, how will train? You no need to train. Again, train. What is this train? In one of the code, train is there means everything train only. See, just Dharmendra. Now, this is my Naresh photo. Na? Just now I have shown you the Naresh photo, right? Now, in this Naresh photo, can't you create this one as a 2D array? Can't we create this one as a 2D array? When I create the 2D array, here the number, what are the number is there? It will match in the Narendra Modi's image. Here some number will be there. Now. These numbers and that number both will match as it is. A combination. A combination of this one. Point is clear? Understood? So what are the required features you are having? Your required features is also a 2D array. It is a 2D array. In the image, it is a 2D array. This is matching or not. Just you are observing the matching. Numbers are matching or not. No training, nothing. Dharmendra, in the ANN code, we have done the training, means everything is not training only. Point is clear? Just we are doing the matching. So what features you are having? Here, what features are there? Just compare the numbers. We can't compare the numbers side by side, whether these numbers are same or not. Now, Sarvanan is saying that all it trained by the OpenCV software developers. No, it is not trained. It was created. What are the phase features are there? Phase features will be there, right? That phase features was converted as a 2D array. Numbers are written, only numbers. And that numbers are checked on the original one. There is no word of training. They are not trained, created. Don't use the word trained. Okay, they are created. So what, for example, my face is there. If I draw my face, can't we create a black and white image of my face, and I can't create the 2D array automatically? Here numbers will be created. Yes or no? Everyone? Same thing. Right? Just it is matching. Basically, very simple to simple. The work is very simple, just matching. Right? Now, how it is going to work on the videos? Same thing on the single image we have seen. Now, how it is going to work on the videos? Now, everyone please focus here. This one you focus. Don't see remaining part. In this entire PDF, just observe only the rectangular box what I have drawn. Now, this is the page number 25. Next page, page number 26. Just I'm moving the right arrow mark, and this is the page number 26. This is second image. Now see here, I'm moving back and front. Now this person is walking and doing the cigarette. Basically, this person is walking and doing the smoking. Everyone, if you observe that, what you are observing here, if you cleanly observe only those two, don't observe remaining things, just observe only these two. What you will observe is the person is walking and doing the smoke. But what is actual means two images, I'm moving. So basically our video is a combination of multiple images. So one video, for example, 30 FPS. 30 FPS means 30 frames. Frames means images. It is going to capture the 30 images per second. Okay. So for example, if I take some video for 10 seconds, 10 seconds video. Now total how many images are captured in this 10 seconds? 300 images are captured. And these 300 images, if I play continuously, that is only called as video. Okay, showing the multiple images one by one is called as video. Right? Now, in this 10 seconds, 300 images are captured. Now, these 300 images, what I have captured, now I am playing in the 30 seconds. Now, automatically in 1 second, how many images you will see now? In each second, how many images you will see now? Total 300 images are there. I want to play in the 30 seconds. In 1 second, how many images will come? Only 10 images will come. 10 images per second and automatically 30 seconds. The video was recorded for 10 seconds, but while playing, I'm playing at the 30 seconds. Slowly I'm playing. Means slowly. One image after one image, I'm showing you in the slowly. That is only called as slow motion video. Slow motion video means we think that speed is less. The speed means what? Playing slowly the images. If you are keeping the 1x instead of 1x, 0.5x, what is meant by 0.5x? Slow. What is meant by slow? Slow means slowly show the images. The meaning is slowly show the images, one after one after one. Point is clear? Everyone. Basically, every video is a combination of multiple images. Point is clear? Now tell me guys, in 10 seconds, okay, if I capture 300 images, in the same 10 seconds, if I capture 600 images, in 10 seconds, if I capture 1200 images, which will have the more clarity? 300 images will have more clarity, or 600 images or 1200 images, miss? Which one will have the more clarity? Everyone? Obviously 1200 images. More the images you play, the more details will be there. In the same time. Same time I'm saying na. Time is 10 seconds only na. Constant of time. But 1200 images means in a single second, I'm taking here 120 FPS, 60 FPS, 30 FPS. In a single second, I am taking the 30 images of yours. For example, open your camera after the class, not now. In your mobile phone, open the camera and click on the video. And just to record for 1 second only, just 1 second, and click on the close. I mean, stop. In that 1 second, 30 images are there. Now play that 1 second video. Now you record the same 60 FPS. 60 images you are going to see now. Clarity will be more. So more the FPS per second, the more the clarity you get. Now 4K recording. What is meant by 4K recording? 4K recording means high resolution. That is 4000 pixels are available in your screen at the same time. Pixels are 4000. At the same time, if you are recording at 120 FPS, means in a single second, 4000 pixels are captured. Point is clear? The more the picture quality will be there. Okay, for example, now this is my screen, guys. As of now, what are the screen you are seeing? This is my screen. This is 1080 pixel screen. Now, if I bring any 600 pixel video, what happens? It is going to play from here to here only. But if I do the zoom of this 600 pixel, if I play here, automatically the zoom increases. When the zoom increases, the picture quality increases or decreases? Increases or decreases? Everyone? Though it is not having the quality also, if you are doing the zoom miss, what happens? Decreases. Exactly. It will decrease. Right? Now in the given screen, if 1080 pixel screen, if I'm playing the 1080 pixel, perfectly it will play. Now within the 1080 pixel, 4000 pixel video I'm playing. What happens? More number of pixels are integrated within the small place. Now clarity will be there or non-clarity will be there? Yes or no? Whatever you say, exactly opposite. It is everything. 100% you don't know about the images and videos properly. Right? Now in this case, what happens? Whenever you are having the lesser area, very simple guys, area is lesser. For example, one person has to sit. Instead of one person position, three people are sitting there only. What happens? What happens? More pixels will be integrated, na? Overlap, na? In the one pixel, one color will be there. Another pixel, another color will be there. That color, this color, finally what happens? Okay, clarity in terms of over brightness or something will feel like that. Now, in the full HD, for example, everyone knows TV. Full HD TV. In the full HD TV, if you play the full HD video, that is 1080. Full HD means 1080 pixel. HD TV means 720 pixel. 2K TV means 2000 pixel. 4K TV means 4000 pixel. Now, size of the screen is locked. One size is locked. Now, in this size only, for example, you want the 2000 pixels. 2000 pixels means 2000 horizontal lines, 2000 vertical lines. Let's take like this. Now, if you draw in the given space, what are the size of the TV? Let's assume this is the size of the TV is 40 inches TV or 42-inch TV. Okay, 42 inch. From here to here, it is 42 inch. Now, in this 42 inch, you can draw how many rectangles you can draw. For example, if I want, I can draw only this much. If I want, I can draw this much. If I want, I can draw additional. The more the number of lines you draw, the more the pixels will be increased. The more the pixels increases, quality increases or decreases. More number of pixels are there. Now in the 42 inch only, you will have the 720. In the same 42 inch, you will have 1080. In the same 42 inch, you will have the 2K. In the same 42 inch, 4K. Now in the 4K, what happens? Automatically more pixels will be there. More pixels are there means more picture quality will be there. So here, drawing the small line like this, and in this only again you can draw one more line. In this gap also you can draw one more line. Minute gaps you can draw the multiple lines. Then automatically what happens? More pixels will be there. Automatically more pixels are there means more colors, which will look more vibrant. Is the point is clear? Everyone? Understood? Now the point is very simple here. A image, what are the image you are correcting? The video is a combination of multiple images. Just it is applying the for loop. First image after first image, next image, next image, next image, next image. Sir, like that, how many images it is going to take, sir? For example, open your mobile phone and click on the record, video recording. The moment you click on the recording, it starts taking the first image, like that second image. In the back end, the multiple images will be taken. How many images will be taken means till you click on the close. Infinite loop will work. Basically, infinite loop is working. It is going to capture the multiple images. The moment you click on the break, what is break means? Stop. The red button, what you are going to click, stop. And once you click on that, it will stop taking the images. Now, what are the images it has captured? If you play it, it is called as video. If you see it, it is called as image. Instead of playing, just observe the image as an image only. For example, once you open the one video, stop, click on the pause button. What you will see? One image only you will see, right? Once you click on the pause, image only you will see, right? You play that video means playing the multiple images, basically. So once you know what is image, automatically video is dead easy. Just for loop of multiple images.
But then while checking how many should load?
Multiple, no restriction. Is the points are clear, everyone? Understood or not? Right, guys? Anyone? Any questions? Now let us focus on the images. So first I'm going to import the CV2 and CV2 dot video capture inside that zero. What is meant by zero means it is automatically going to connect to the webcam. Now online students, till now you have not seen my face, right? Now you are going to see my face first time. Okay. So CV2 dot video capture of zero. Zero means it is going to capture. So automatically it will be connected to the webcam. See, it is connected to the webcam and automatically my video will get started. This is the video. Now here, while true. What is meant by while true? Infinite loop. So video dot read. What is meant by video dot read means video means nothing but here I have stored as the webcam. So read means it is going to open. First it is going to take the first image. Num comma frame. Num comma means num is nothing but first image. It is going to store in the backend as the image. And here cv2.im show. Im show means what? Show the image. Which image I am going to show? First image. What are the image it has captured? That image I am going to show you. Okay, image show. Again, go back. Again, take the second image, show that. Take the third image, show that. Like that, it is basically showing for you the multiple images. You are feeling it is as a video, but basically it is showing the multiple images. Everyone is clear? Hi guys. My name is Shiram Krishna, shortcut SRK, your trainer. Right? Yeah. Done? Yeah. Hello. Done, guys? So just it is basically showing the one image. IM show is used for showing one image. Then why it is showing the multiple images means after this image was completed, next image, next image, next image. It is showing the next one by one images. Now I want to stop this one. So here wait key, I have written the wait key is equal to Q. Q means the moment I click on the Q, then only you have to stop. So here if I click on the close, it will not close because the wait key is not this one. The wait key I have given as Q. Now once I click on the Q,
Can you hear
any others. I have given the Q, right? Now, so here it is showing the color image now. Instead of color image, I want the gray. Means what are the first image it is selected? It is converted to grayscale and I am going to show you the grayscale image now. So now what is the images it is going to show you means first grayscale image of mine, black and white image. One more black and white, one more black and white. Like this, it is showing the multiple black and white images. We are feeling it is as a video, but it is not the video. It is showing the multiple images, one after one. Basically, showing the multiple images is called as video. Clear? Now, what are the face detection and eye detection I told you now? The same thing I'm going to apply on my face. Okay, I will explain the code. See here. Sir, why it is not properly capturing means if I give the properly, right? Sir, but still it is not satisfying the something. So here what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to adjust these numbers. What are these numbers are there? Just I'm going to adjust these numbers in the detect multiscale. If I see the properly the webcam and if I share the photo perfectly, the moment I open my mouth, it is identifying as a some kind of eye shape. Is that clear now? Suddenly, for example, generally how the face will look, this is the shape of the face, right? And in that eyes particularly, this is the eyes, right? Now, for example, I'm going to keep the hand like this. Now the shape is matching or not? Here, what are this one? Whether this future is available in the given image or not. In the entire given image, that futures are matching or not. If it is matching, it will identify. If it is not matching, it will not identify. Clear, guys? Understood the logic?
You can only do for live or and do photos.
Yes. Now here, okay, here you can add your own, in the video capture, you can add your own video. Or if you want to go with the live miss, webcam miss 0. If you keep the 0, webcam will be selected. No, sir, I'm already having some video with me. That video I want to play miss, select that video. What are the path of the video is there? Write the path. And that video will be selected. Is the point is clear now? Sir, I want to detect the legs of a person in a picture. Yes, we have to use the exclusively legs for that legs whatever we are having. That one we have to use, not the frontal face. Like that, how many classifiers are there? Miss, approximately 1 lakh plus classifiers are available. Universal, which are universal, everything is available. Is the point is clear? Uh, yes, yes, exactly. Dharmendra, it is going to do the simple. The whatever you are going to select that matrix, it is going to identify on the given image. That's it. Matching, it is doing basically. I have given some numbers and that numbers are available here or not. Just I'm asking. For example, I will take for your understanding a image with multiple numbers. Okay, let's take one image with multiple numbers, something like this. Mm. Whatever it is. Okay, some image. This is the image, guys. Now tell me, my requirement is this. Here, 20 here should be there. 24, 24, 24. Side, right side 24 should be there. Or let me draw right clearly. First number is 20, 24. After that 24, next number should be 30. Down, it should have the 26, 30, 31. Okay. Next, here I require the 28, 35, and 42. This is the numbers. 28, 35, 42. Now tell me guys, whether these numbers are available in the given image or not. Yes or no? If it is available, where it is available? 20, 20, 24, 30, 26, 30, 31, 28, 35, 42. This is my requirement. Available or not available? Now what you are going to do now, that is only called as object detection. This is XML file. This is the original image. Now you are just identifying whether where it is exactly located. From where you will start this one first. No. Next this one. 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 Like that. Here 3 by 3 is there now. Obviously here also you will apply the 3 by 3 only. And that one, this one you are going to check the matching. Is the point is clear? This is XML file. This is original image. Just you have to do the matching. Now tell me guys whether it is available or not. Yes or no? And particularly Dharmendra, you have to tell me. No. Now answer is yes. Here is the output. Sir, but 2020 I told not exactly nearest neighbors. 2020 is matching. 2025 for 24, 30 to 30, 24 to 26 close numbers only na. Nearest numbers matching. Exact match, nearest match. Point is clear? Sir, exact match means what? Same number as it is. Nearest match means what? What is the number I have given here? In the within the neighbors, what is the number I have given here? In the neighbors, what is the number? 5. 5 means for the 20, it can be plus or minus 5. In the range of plus or minus 5. Within that plus or minus 5, every number is available. Not exactly same number. Every number is available within the range of plus or minus 5. Done? Got it? Now? So can we take one project as we'll give 10 images with medical details in the loop, extract the text based on that own criteria like patient name, date, the doctor name, and we'll check down the image exactly available and that Excel sheet. This is different. Ganesh, what you are asking, it is a different one. I'm saying here object, you are saying the words text. That is different. Here I am explaining about the object, like identifying the yes, identifying the text. You're asking identifying the text is which is completely different. Here, like in the real-time applications, we are having the identifying the helmet. For example, your mobile phone is there. Face unlock, how it will work? Based on the text, it will work. Huh? Based on the text, it will work. Face unlock. Face unlock project is different. Your project is also different now. Both are not same now. Is the point is clear, Ganesh? How the face unlock will work? Your futures, first initially you are going to give the initially your face futures. Now second time when you are going to keep the mobile phone in front of you and it is going to identify whether this future and that future is matching or not. What are the which was stored earlier and that futures and these futures what are you are going to give. For example, Ganesh, let's take an example like this. You have given in the starting in the mobile phone for face unlock, you have given your multiple images. Okay. One day, okay, on your face, you have kept the spits, additional glasses, side glasses, which is white color. Okay, now tell me whether your mobile phone will detect your face or not. Yes or no? Ganesh, waiting for your reply. right? Done, guys. So we'll continue from here in the tomorrow's class, and we'll try to complete the CV tomorrow, and also we'll start the text. Next part also will start. Done.